the more trial dates and the longer these days are, the better for expediting the proceedings, no? Kasi, syempre, tuloy-tuloy yung paglalatag po natin ng mga testigos. But I think very important consideration din po yung staff para sa trial kasi syempre sila din naman ho yung mga nagtatrabaho behind the scenes, no? Not just for the prosecution and for the defense but also for the Senate staff as well, no? So I think they will really have to consult with the Senate Secretariat kung kakayanin ba ng mga kawani ng Senado na magkaroon din po ng ganito ka-extended na mga araw nung pong pagpasok, no? Kasi syempre, hindi lang naman ho paglilitis po yung ginagawa nila, meron din ho silang ibang mga legislative work na ginagawa outside of the impeachment. So, I think yun po yung mga kailangan na i-manage din po nung pong Senate Impeachment Court at nung Senate leadership din. So, we will abide by how they would want this to proceed in the next couple of weeks. But I think everyone, all the parties, defense, prosecution, and even yung pong mga senator judges would really want to see an expedited timeline and hours of the trial dates. Yung pag-ulan ho talaga is yung unforeseen circumstances nito pong mga buwan na ito. So, barring another round of massive rainfall, hopefully naman ho, wala na hong further delays. Ang expectation na lang ho namin, kung kaya hong madagdagan pa ng isang araw, nung pong paglilitis, kung may paglilitis pa sa Huwebes, baka naman na kakayanin pa ho yun para mapabilis ho talaga yung proseso.
Thank you, sir. So, okay po kayo, additional 1 day kahit Thursday, parang make-up day, kumbaga.
Well, hindi lang siya make-up day, kundi 4 days na talaga yung paglilitis. Yung Friday kasi mahirap pong hingin po yan sa mga kawani. Kasi, syempre, they have long hours already on Mondays to Thursdays, no? So, baka that might be asking too much from them. But we will have to consult with them din po kung paano ho ba talaga yung kakayanin po ng mga kawani at ng lahat ng iba pang mga partido.